Hey guys, it's Carmen here at Open Road Harley-Davidson, just hopping on to talk about some of our 120th merchandise that we have in. Currently, we've got sweatshirts, t-shirts for women and men. We've got men's sleeveless shirts in. We've got women's tank tops, bandanas, hats. We've got a good amount of 120th in right now. We also have the 120th helmet. It is a modular helmet. Its colors are designed to match the 120th bikes. So it's got that red, some of the eagle detailing on it. Super nice. It does have a sun shield as well on the inside. If I can lift this up for you. And then sun shield. Quick, easy button you just push. But we've got tin signs, some travel mugs, can coasters, and a flag. So if you're looking for 120th, Open Road's the place to stop, and I hope to help you with all your 120th needs.